the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 1st of March. I'm James Spann. Some active showers and storms this evening. Severe weather threat looks pretty low at this point, but let's go in there and check things out. There is the water vapor satellite view, trough digging down through the Mississippi River Valley. And that was the radar at 2:18. The initial batch of thunderstorms pretty much fizzling out. New storms are forming back over parts of Lamar and Marion counties. And again, there's still a chance we could see a few isolated severe storms, but the threat is pretty limited. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s. The warm spots, Anniston and Montgomery at 71, Birmingham and Tuscaloosa 69, Gadsden 70. And tomorrow will be noticeably cooler. We'll drop these by about 15 degrees. We'll expect highs in the mid-50s tomorrow. But thankfully, the really cold air around the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest will not affect us. We'll just catch the edge of that air mass tomorrow. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Getting some snow up north. Winter storm warnings around Grand Rapids and Detroit. Parts of upper New England. We note the guys at SPC have put out a mesoscale update indicating maybe a watch if storms develop over central Alabama, but that's a big maybe. I'd say the severe weather threat is pretty low. This is the convective outlook. Got the standard risk of severe weather from near Hattiesburg up to about Knoxville, Tennessee, and Asheville, North Carolina. This is a closer look at our state. The risk has been dropped up in the shoals as they are back in stable air. And still there's a slight risk roughly from Interstate 59 on south to include Montgomery and Auburn. But again, I'm not too convinced we see much action in terms of severe weather, and that's a good thing. This is the rain for the next 5 days. About 1 inch for North Alabama. That counts the rain this evening and the showers we see Thursday. Let's check it out. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Trough axis rotating to the east. By the way, let me show you what the HRRR looks like, the HRRR model, this evening at 8 o'clock. This is suggesting the back edge of the storm should be along Interstate 59 at that point. So the rain ending around 8 o'clock, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden. And this is tomorrow at noon. We are in cool, dry air, sunny with a high in the mid-50s tomorrow. About a 15-degree drop from today. Thursday, here comes our next wave. This will not be a big rain producer. This is Thursday at noon. We'll go to Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. The surface low is over Louisville with a band of showers coming through here. And sure looks like this won't produce a lot of rain. Moisture very limited. Rain amounts probably under a quarter of an inch. And then on Friday, we are back in dry air. The high Friday should be in the upper 50s. We note maybe some heavy snow for parts of the Northeast U.S. Friday. Hey, got a beautiful weekend coming up. Saturday, bright sunny weather with mid-60s, and Sunday, sunny with upper 60s likely. Maybe pushing 70 in spots. So this weekend, much like last weekend, beach weather looks great. Sunny weather there Saturday and Sunday with highs around 70. And Monday, sunny and mild. We'll be up there close to 70. Week from today, we'll watch that digging trough to the west. Tuesday of next week, March 8th, the surface low is well under 1,000 millibars over South Dakota. And that might be a severe weather setup for East Texas along and east of Interstate 35, if this verifies. We're still dry on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, the storms drift in here, but the surface low is somewhat detached. And then on Thursday, the 10th, a new surface low develops on that stalled front, keeping the chance of rain going. So the middle of next week looking unsettled with some chance of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday, Thursday, March 9th and 10th. Remains to be seen if we have a severe weather threat. We always have to watch systems this time of the year. And this is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday, March 11th. Broad troughing around, but the rain begins to pull out of here. And on the positive side for California, look at that. They need some rain. They're going to get some rain if this verifies a big rain event with snow for the Sierra Nevada mountains. Temperature anomalies March 8th through March 14th. The eastern U.S. looks pretty mild. GEFS ensemble numbers looking pretty mild. Highs well up in the 70s. No sign of any cold air, but again, that cold snap's coming. Might be late March or April, but we always have one. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.